Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create Google Analytics account for Blogger. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously, you need to search analytics.google.com and you will end up over here. Click on Start Measuring and make sure to log in with the same account you have logged in with blogger.com. So once you log in and click on Start Measuring, you will end up over here. Here you just need to enter the account name over here. Once you enter the account name, you just need to select all of this if you want Google product and services on your email. So these are some account data sharing settings. So if you want that, you just click on check. If you don't want that, just uncheck them. After that, click on next. We have property details. Here you are going to write your property name. So in this case, I'm going to write pro learner, and after that select your country and your currency. The third option is business details. Select the industry your business belongs to and the business size also. So for this tutorial, I'm going with the small. Here you just need to tell like business objectives over here. So you can click on generate leads, drive online sales, and there are multiple more over here. So it depends on your business. For this tutorial, I'm going with this one and click on create. After that, you will end up over here. Here, just click on in this and enter the country you live in. And after that, make sure to check this and click on accept. Once you've done that, you will end up over here, and here they are going to ask which platform you are going to use. So right now for this tutorial, obviously we are going with the website, and we have Android and app and also iOS app. But for Blogger, obviously we are going with the website. So I'm going to click on this, and here you are going to enter the Blogger URL. Once you enter the URL and stream name, just click on create stream. After that, you will end up over here, and this window will pop up. So here, if you have the website with Wix or Wordpress or Shopify, other stuff, you can click on this. But obviously we are going to talk about Blogger, and we are going to install it on Blogger. So just click on install manually and make sure to copy this. After that, what you need to do, just go back to Blogger. Make sure to select the same blog which you are going to create analytics for. After that, click on themes, and here just click on this down arrow. Here you can see we have edit HTML. Click on this, and what we are going to do, you can see at the fourth line we have had. We are going to enter over here and add a line between 4 and 6, which is going to be 5 obviously, and we are going to paste that URL over here. Once you paste that, click on the top right corner, save. It might take some time, so don't worry. After that, just go back to Google Analytics, and here just click on next. But before that, you can see that data collection may take up to 48 hours to get started, so don't worry if it doesn't start right away. Just click on next, click on continue to home, and here you can see that once the data collection will start, you can see all the analytics over here. We have the reports on the left side, explore and advertising also. And if you want to make more of Google Analytics, what you can do, just click on here at admin at the bottom left corner. Here you will see the create option. Just click on this, and account and property both are over here. Just click on account and start creating new one. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to create Google Analytics account for Blogger. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.